Transform your online events from scattered links to seamless signups by crafting a dedicated WordPress webinar registration page today. First things first, we need a powerful form builder for this tutorial. We'll be using a popular and user-friendly option. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Forms. You'll see a list of form plugins appear. Locate WP Forms Lite. The free version is fantastic for this purpose, and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. You'll now see WP Forms added to your left-hand WordPress menu. Let's get creating. Hover over WP Forms and click Add Form. This will bring you to the form templates library instead of starting from scratch. We can often find a great starting point. Scroll through the templates or use the search bar to find something like a registration form or custom registration form. Select the template that best suits your needs and click Use Template. Now, we're in the Visual Form Builder. This is where you customize your registration page on the left. You have your available form fields on the right. Is your form preview? Simply drag and drop fields from the left onto the right to add them. We'll definitely need fields for name and email address. If you're hosting multiple webinars, you can add a field like a drop-down menu or radio buttons to let attendees select which webinar they're registering for. Click on the field. And in the left panel, you can rename it and add your webinar titles. It's also good practice to add a checkbox for agreeing to terms and conditions or privacy policies. Just drag and drop, rename it, and if necessary, add a link to your policy. Once you're happy with the fields, let's look at the settings. Click on the Settings tab under General. You can customize the confirmation message your attendees will see after submitting the form under Notifications. You can set up email alerts to be sent to you when someone registers, ensuring you never miss a sign-up. Now, to get this form onto your website, click the Embed button in the builder. You'll typically get a shortcode. Copy this shortcode, then go to your WordPress pages. Click Add New, and paste this shortcode directly into the content area of your new page. Title your page something clear like Webinar Registration. Finally, publish your page and share the link with your audience. This dedicated registration page ensures a professional and smooth experience for everyone looking to join your valuable webinars.